Hi guys, wanted to share something with you. First shout out to T-Roy Cooks and Babyback Maniac, Phil and Florence, and Harry Sue. So here's my Weber Smokey Mountain 18, and you'll notice that I have two bolts on the side, but I have the capability of having 3 racks inside. How did I do that? Well, keep in mind that there are other videos out here that show you this, but not in this way. So what I've done is I went out to Amazon and I found this little gadget. Looks a lot like the ones other people were using, except this has 2 holes already drilled out of it. I didn't have to do anything to that. Now, you'll also notice, keep in mind that I had only 2 bolts on the outside of the grill. Now, if I take a really close look here at one of these, right up in there, you can kind of see what I did. I took a bolt and a nut, and the bolt had a very flat head, and I drilled through the metal piece from Weber, and I hooked up a locking nut and a bolt. Now this particular piece here is available on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything, just something I found. And this is stainless steel 304. So it is a very strong steel, and it is very corrosion resistant. So you won't have any trouble with this. So what are the benefits? Why do I bother showing you this? I didn't have to drill through the side of my grill in order to put this on. I can now have 3 racks. Okay, am I going to cook that much? Maybe. But what the real benefit is that this is exactly 5 inches down. Well, what does that matter? Well, when I put a grate there, I can then put a basket of charcoal in it, and I can grill on this smoker. So my smoker becomes essentially my kettle. So with this one mod, and by the way, these I think cost, I got like 20 of them for like $7, and then I bought $2 worth of nuts and bolts. So for $9, I turned this smoker into a kettle. So just thought I'd share that with you. I think that covers everything. Hope you enjoyed. And if you're gonna make comments on the grill, I just got this grill. It was a ridiculous deal. Yeah, that these bars inside look a little rusted, and the bowl, well, it's actually not bad. The rest of the grill's in really great shape. There's a tiny bit of rust at the very bottom of one of the legs. Why do I tell you this? Because I bought this smoker, this Weber Smokey Mountain 18, for $20. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys. Some of you that don't like drilling through the side of your grill or smoker and still want the capability to have that 3rd rack or to use your smoker as a grill, here you go, another alternative. Hope somebody finds this useful. Bye-bye.